Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Valentine's Day tag. I just found this tag and I decided that I wanted to participate. It was only 7 questions. I got this tag from Claudia Sawinski, that's her name. And she had the question, so I was like, okay, I'll be able to copy and paste it onto my thing. So that if you wanted to participate, you guys are more than welcome to it. And let me know that you're going to do it so that I could go ahead and watch it as well. How are you guys doing? How's everything? Can't believe we're falling into the 3rd quarter of the year. March is right here. And the year just started. So, wow. Let me start with the questions. It's a Valentine's Day tag that I pulled from Claudia. I don't know if she's the original person who did the tag. She had the question, so I just follow her from how she did it. And I'll have her link somewhere down below if you wanted to hear her questions as well. The questions. What are your thoughts on Valentine's Day and why? I love Valentine's Day because I'm not far from my birthday is not far from Valentine's Day. I don't do much, nor do I buy a lot of stuff. I used to when I was younger from my mom and for my friends and things of that nature. But when you're older, you'd kind of just go to dinner and call it a day or have dinner at home. So definitely it's something that you grow out of quickly. Number 2, have you ever had a Valentine's before? Yes. I think everybody has in high school. You know, you take the pictures with your loved person for that time frame. Get your teddy bear and card and your balloon by the locker and you call it a day. So yes, I have. What is the cutest thing that you've ever experienced / seen a friend experience on Valentine's Day? Someone serenaded them in the hallway in high school, which was so cute. 4. What is your favorite Valentine's Day candy? I think it's the Hershey Kisses. Because I don't like the mixed boxes where you don't know what it is and you have to bite into them. And if you get the pink one or the coconut one, you're not too happy. So I don't like the surprise boxes where you kind of don't know what you're getting until you bite into it. Not a fan of those, for sure. Number 5. Do you have a Valentine this year? Well, I have had one for the past. How long have I been with him? I have the same Valentine's person for the past 2019, right? 19 years. We've been married for 15 years. So it's the same dude. Number 6, if you were to get a gift on Valentine's Day, what would it be? Ideal gift. Food. Just need food. No more teddy bears. No more candy because of my sugar addiction. So we're down to food. Eating out or eating in. Most of the time it's eating in because it gets pretty chaotic on Valentine's Day to eat out. Sure, unless you're doing brunch. Brunch is a safer time frame to eat on Valentine's Day. All right. Number 7, and it's the last question. If you were to have a celebrity Valentine, who would it be? It would be Usher. The end. It's going to be Usher. Me and Usher somewhere in the Creek Isles. Probably on a boat. Having brunch on the boat with a chef. And we're just looking at the water at that point. But that would be my ideal celebrity Valentine's Day location, place, and thing in person. So super cute. So super cute tag. I really enjoyed it. And it was nice and sweet and short. And I like that. So hopefully I can find more tags that are short and sweet and cute. And I hope you guys are enjoying the month of February. And I know it's almost over, or we're already sitting in March. So you guys have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.